Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach voice clone to Kling AI Sync. We're going to take a video clip, pair it with text-to-speech, and have Kling AI lip sync the visuals to your chosen voice. This is really useful if you want to create AI videos, tutorials, product explainers, character videos, faceless content, or even translated versions of your videos while keeping the voice consistent and natural. If you already have a voice clone available in your account, you'll be able to select it during the process. Make sure you have the rights to use the video and the voice, and keep your script ready to paste so everything goes smoothly. This part is important because voice cloning should only be used with permission, especially if the voice belongs to another person. Also, having your script ready before you start saves time and helps you avoid mistakes while setting everything up. First, open your browser and head to the Kling AI app. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select All Tools. This brings up the full toolset, so you can quickly find what you need without digging through multiple pages. If you're new to the platform, this is usually the easiest way to find the exact feature instead of searching around the dashboard. Next, choose Lip Sync. This is the feature that aligns spoken audio with the mouth movements in your video. It's designed to handle a range of face angles and lighting, but the clearer the face and the steadier the shot, the better the final result will look. So, if your subject is facing the camera, the face is visible, and there are not too many fast movements, the lip sync usually comes out much cleaner. On the lip sync page, click Upload Video. Choose the video file you want to sync and click Open. Common formats like MP4 generally work well. For best results, pick footage with a well-lit subject and minimal background noise. Even though we'll be generating the voice, shorter clips typically process faster, so consider trimming long footage beforehand if needed. A clean 10 to 30 second clip is a good starting point if you're testing the feature for the first time, because it lets you check the quality quickly before using longer videos. Now, move to the text-to-speech section and type or paste the exact words you want the voice to say. Use punctuation to control pacing, and write numbers and abbreviations the way you want them spoken. If you care about specific pronunciations, try phonetic spellings in parentheses to guide the system. For example, if a brand name, username, or technical word is being pronounced incorrectly, you can adjust the spelling slightly so the AI reads it in a more natural way. Then select Voices. Here, you can browse available options, and if you have a cloned voice connected to your account, choose that voice from the list. Match the tone to your script. Conversational for casual content. More neutral for tutorials.
Hello guys, welcome
If multiple variations exist for your clone, pick the one that best fits the mood you're after. For example, a calm and clear voice works better for educational videos, while a more energetic voice can work better for ads, reels, or short-form promotional content.
Tutorly.
When your text and voice are set, click Add Speech. Use Preview to check timing, clarity, and lip alignment. Listen for mispronunciations or awkward pauses, and if something feels off, tweak your text and preview again. Minor edits like adding commas or rephrasing tricky words can make a big difference. This is where you should take a moment to review carefully, because a small script adjustment can make the final video feel much more realistic and polished. Finally, click Generate. Kling AI will process the video, sync the lips to your chosen voice, and prepare a playable result. Processing times vary based on length and demand, so hang tight. Once it's ready, review the output, and you're done.
Hello guys. Welcome to Tutorly, your go-to destination for easy-to-follow tutorials, helpful tips, and step-by-step guides. Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly, your go-to destination for easy-to-follow tutorials, helpful tips, and step-by-step guides.
Your video is synced with your voice clone. From here, you can download it, use it in your content, or make another version with a different script or voice style if you want to test which one performs better.